going to try to balance for 5 seconds using our bowling leg. So we're going to take our bowling leg up and we're going to go to the crane position for 5 seconds. You're trying to balance on your leg. If you need any help, you can get a physical assistance like a stool or even a friend or a parent, and you can hold if you need to so you don't lose it. Okay, so now we're going to balance on our non-bowling leg. So what I want you to do is take your bowling leg and you're going to kick it behind you. You're going to use a person or a stool to help you balance with your arm out. And we're just going to hold this for 10 seconds. You want to make sure that your weight is in your front non-bowling leg. Okay, now I would like you to try the same thing without your assistant. So we're going to take our non-bowling leg, we're going to push it back with our arms out, and we're going to try to balance for 10 seconds. You got it. We're going to do the staggered stance. We're going to put our non-bowling leg in front of our bowling leg. So we're going to have our bowling hand, put our bowling leg back, and we're going to put our hands out to help us balance. And we're going to focus on getting our chest forward, so like this. I want you to do this 3 times. Try to balance on your non-bowling leg. If you have a problem with that, you can get your physical assistant and you can use this to help you balance. Okay, breaking it down. We're going to raise our bowling hand up 3 times with our foot, our bowling leg back. So raise your hand 1, raise your hand 2, and raise your hand 3 times. We're going to learn the staggered stance. The staggered stance, you're going to have your bowling leg back and your chest forward with your arms up and your arm down. You're going to do this 3 times. Take your bowling hand, we're going to take our bowling foot, we're going to put it behind us back into our staggered position with our arms out and our chest forward. This time we're going to drop our bowling hand freely. We're going to do this 3 times, making sure our chest is forward and our bowling hand is pendulum swing. Do a pendulum swing. You're going to take your bowling hand and relax it by your side, and you're going to take your non-bowling hand and beat your bowling hand's wrist. What I want you to do is you're going to push and relax. Push and relax. You're going to do this 3 times. Push and relax. Push and relax. Now that we got the push and relax, I want you to get into the staggered position. So we're going to take our bowling hand and our bowling leg. We're going to push that bowling leg back. We're then going to put our bowling hand down, and our non-bowling hand is going to push, relax, push, relax, push, relax, push, relax for 5 times. See if you can do it. We are going to get in our staggered position and we are going to do the free pendulum swing without pushing. So you get into your position and back, back, 5 times. Okay, so how to hold a bowling ball. You're going to take both fingers, put them in the hole like this. You gotta make sure we know which is our bowling hand. So whichever bowling hand you are, you're going to lift it 3 times. Now I need you to lift your bowling hand up. We're gonna take our middle 2 fingers, which are these, and we're gonna touch them with our thumb. What does this look like? We're going to put our middle 2 fingers to our thumb. I think it looks like a llama. And we're gonna do this 3 times. Okay, so now you're going to take your bowling ball, and you see the 2 small holes here and the big one here. You're going to take your llama. You're going to take your 2 middle ones and put them in, and then your thumb in the big one, and you hold it like this. Going to release the ball 5 times. Using the clock template, you're going to put, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put my 2 llama fingers on these, and I'm going to place the ball right here. And I'm just going to practice this time, sliding my fingers 5 times. Okay, so now you're going to get on one knee, you're gonna have your ball in the center, you're gonna have your 2 fingers on here, and you're gonna roll it 5 times, making sure that your arm stays straight. 2 fingers, straight. We're gonna do that 5 times. Okay, this time we're going to have our ball in the center of the clock still. Our 2 fingers are going to be on our numbers. And this time we're going to go 1 and swing. So we got to bring back once, twice, release. We're going to do that 5 times. Once, twice, release. And make sure you're hitting your partner or your target. Once, twice, release. 5 times.